Severe flooding in Thailand. Heavy rains for 2 days in a row caused flash flooding in the areas along the mountain slopes. How to behave in case of flooding? Stay calm, move to higher ground. Turn off electricity and gas. Do not use tap water. Follow government instructions. Stay away from flooded roads. Nakhon, Thammarat Province, including many areas affected by heavy rains, especially the Koh Phangan district of Surat Thani Province. Warnings remain in place for the possibility of prolonged heavy rains, similar to those experienced in Songkhla Province, where flash floods inundated the main Songkhla-Hatia road. The Department of Disaster Prevention and Mitigation reports flash floods in 3 southern provinces, affecting more than 302 households in total.